Welcome back to Auto Update Hub, your go-to channel for everything on the latest cars. Today, we're taking you on a tour of the 2025 BMW lineup at BMW of Camarillo. If you're a fan of luxury, performance, and innovation, you're in for a treat. Let's kick things off with the BMW i7, the pinnacle of electric luxury. The 2025 model takes sustainable driving to the next level with a range of up to 350 miles and a dual-motor setup producing over 500 horsepower. Inside, you're greeted with an executive lounge experience here, sumptuous leather, wood accents, and a massive 31-inch rear entertainment display. It's more than a car, it's a mobile sanctuary. Next up, the 2025 BMW X5M competition. This is where power meets practicality. With a 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8 under the hood, delivering 617 horsepower, it's the ultimate SUV for adrenaline junkies. The interior is decked out with carbon fiber trim, merino leather seats, and BMW's cutting-edge iDrive 8 system, ensuring you're always in command. Of course, we can't talk about BMW without mentioning the iconic 3 Series. The 2025 edition comes with a refreshed design, updated powertrains, and enhanced tech features. Whether you opt for the plug-in hybrid 330e or the sporty M340i, you're guaranteed a driving experience that perfectly balances luxury and sportiness. Then, there's the BMW X-Ma plug-in hybrid SUV that's redefining high-performance luxury. With over 735 horsepower and a bold, futuristic design, the XM isn't just a car, it's a statement. Plus, it offers an all-electric range of around 30 miles, making it as versatile as it is powerful. At BMW of Camarillo, it's not just about the car, so it's about the experience. The knowledgeable team here is passionate about helping you find the perfect BMW to suit your lifestyle, whether you're after cutting-edge Fs, sporty coupes, or family-friendly SUVs. And let's not forget their top-notch service center. From routine maintenance to performance upgrades, the skilled technicians here ensure your BMW stays in peak condition for years to come. BMW of Camarillo is truly a paradise for car enthusiasts. With their stunning lineup of 2025 models, there's something for everyone. Whether you're craving luxury, performance, or innovative tech, BMW delivers it all. So, what's your favorite BMW from this lineup? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Update Hub for more exciting car updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more.